pasaway na kabataan noon na sumusunod sa mga batang gala sa Luneta, si Manila, na ang nasa isip na ay experience and building memories again. Yet I can say, we both learn and grow as an individual through this relationship. Salamat sa mga leader natin na walang sawang gumabay sa atin noon, kahit most of the time pasaway tayo. So most of all, thank you mahal ko for being so consistent with me. I can't be more grateful to them for my life. You're one of my greatest blessing and possession. Kaya di ko kakayanin pakawalan ka pa, mahal ko. Kaya I want to ask you this question in front of this important witness sa atin.